Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Runaway Bay, which is in St. Anne, Jamaica. Runaway Bay is between Ocho Rios and Discovery Bay. And we are looking at the Palm Beach Villas, which is straight ahead, and they're under construction. They're going to be luxury villa units. Now that road that you're looking at is a road you take to turn off from the main road or the Northern Coastal Highway that runs through Runaway Bay, and you turn off onto that road and it takes you to the Jewel Resort. So these villas are being built right beside the hotel, and they are luxury villas. They're going to have beachfront access or access to the beachfront and all the amenities that go along with luxury development. And this is just one development that's going on in St. Anne. There are so many developments going on, from the building of hotels. Sandals is building two hotels in Runaway Bay. Secrets is building not Runaway Bay, Marmy Bay. Secrets is building a hotel. The Hard Rock Cafe is is under construction, but that's Montego Bay. So the entire north coast of Jamaica is booming with activity, and this is one of the mega projects or the major construction projects that we had done a video about major construction projects in St. Anne, and we said we would go through and make videos of every project that we spoke about. So this is the Palm Beach Villas that we had mentioned in that video, and we will keep you guys updated as the project progresses. But this is a massive development. It's one of the major developments going on in St. Anne, and we're going to show you these villas from another angle in a little bit. But you can see the construction is well underway, and this entire area that these things are located in, it's prime tourist real estate. Basically, you have the Jewel Hotel down the road and you have some other villas, and the highway, the Northern Coastal Highway, is being expanded between Ocho Rios and Montego Bay to accommodate the increase in traffic that's there now. And with all these developments under construction, you're going to have even more traffic using the road. So Runaway Bay is actually going to get a bypass as a part of that highway expansion project, Northern Coastal Highway expansion project, because that's how busy these areas have gotten now. And we're going to try and make videos of this project and all the major projects in St. Anne every 2 weeks, so you can keep checking the channel for the updates. Now, I heard a price of, well, I'm not sure if that price is accurate, but somebody said 400 million. That just seems like, couldn't be, must be, let's ignore that part. It couldn't be 400 million. Maybe that's for like 4 units. But that couldn't be for 1 unit. But if anybody knows the cost of these units, you can let us know. Leave a comment in the section below. Maybe they meant 40 million. It couldn't be, yeah, maybe. Basically, it's maybe we should just ignore that price. We're going to find out the exact price and let you guys know. Alright, so this is another view of the development, to give you a better look at what the units look like. But it's a massive development. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.